Hi, today I'm going to show you where I source my yarn from so that you can too. Let's begin. You can either purchase your yarn offline or online. In case of offline, you look for local stores nearby. In my case, I live in Gurgaon, and this I found a store called Sagar Stores, which is nearest to me. The store sells all the branded yarn, and they also have their own variety of yarn. They sell buttons and other craft materials as well. To sell, to purchase yarn is Yes Papa. Um, this again has all the options available, and for me, because it's based out of Haryana, it delivers quite fast comparatively. And the only problem for me with Yes Papa is that the yarn that they have listed is not color coded, or the the shade number is not provided with each yarn type. So you will have to use your discernment there whenever you are purchasing yarn. They provide great discounts as well, and they also offer knitting accessories and crochet accessories, everything from rattles to bag handles. The next shop that I frequent is Pradhan Embroidery Stores. This is a store that I particularly go to for cotton yarns. I use their mercerized cotton, crochet cotton for all my fine projects. And then, of course, they have all kinds of yarn, a large variety of yarn, and I keep ordering from them. For me, they're based out of Bombay, so their delivery takes longer, which is why I have to ensure that I place an order well in advance to be able to get it on time. I have to mention that the first time I purchased I put placed in a bulk yarn order online, was from Kazan, and although I got the order and everything, but I did face an delivery issue at that time, so which is why I have not ordered from them again. But again, this shop has everything that you require at great discounts as well, so you can opt for Kazan as well if you're looking for yarn of any kind. Lastly, of course, there's Amazon. Amazon will have a large variety of yarn brands presented to you. However, for me, it's a last resort place to purchase yarn. There are certain brands that are probably you won't find them anywhere else, like War Fashions that is shown here. Then I think there's Nest Heaven. Nest Heaven Chanel is very nice. I've used it as well. And War Fashion, I have used some of their glitter yarn. They have wide variety of yarns. My only advice would be if try and avoid unless you're in an emergency to purchase Vardhaman or Ganga from um, Amazon. The reason being is that most of the times, see, this is the actual MRP of Ganga, of Desire, if you look at Desire alone. But if you look at some of the, I don't know why this happens, but I've purchased Ganga at inflated rates. I was not aware of it until I became aware of it. So be careful about this. That the pricing varies, and I'm not sure why that happens. Most of the times, the rates are quite inflated. This is true for even Vardhaman. What is available, it will be far costlier than the MRP listed. And it's not just delivery, because here and there are times when in Ganga you will be forced to purchase two balls together. So if you are not wanting to do that, just avoid it, like I said. And yeah, because I have the same yarn here, and it is for, you see, this is the MRP of the yarn, and here it is listed as one. So these are the few places I purchase yarn from. Let me know in the comments if there is a place that I could purchase. yarn from beyond this list of recommendations. Happy crocheting. Bye.